you have explained to me, parang hindi ko kailangang tinatakutan masyado, but because there is something we can do. But does this PCOS only affect women who
Actually, contrary to what others thought that only overweight or obese women has PCOS, it's not true. Because 30% of women who have normal BMI, like you, lean PCOS, we call it lean PCOS, has it. Okay? And when you look into the numbers, half of the women are actually undiagnosed. Yes, okay? And it has a long-term effects, complications, because half of those who have PCOS will eventually get type 2 diabetes because of the insulin resistance. Okay? And unfortunately, if you're not able to treat PCOS right away, what happens is your lining becomes so thick that you have abnormal uterine bleeding. You'll develop